Hello and welcome back everyone to another video with the E36. Today we're actually starting the build and we're going to start pretty simple but pretty importantly. We're going to clean the entire engine bay and make sure that we have a very good and clean base to work on the car, and just because the engine bay looks kind of dirty, so it's going to be really satisfying to clean the engine bay and just see it very clean. I said it. The engine bay is looking a lot fresher already. The white paint is more white, not exactly snow white, what it should be, but it is a lot better already. All the plastics are clean now as well, but we are going to put some cockpit spray on it as well, just to make it shine. It won't last for very long, but at least we'll get a nice and satisfying result for today. Especially the battery tray here, this was an extremely dirty corner. So to see some white under there again is actually very nice. Well, that's basically it. We cleaned the entire outer section of the engine bay, not the engine itself. As you can see, it's still pretty dirty. We tried cleaning a little bit here with the Dremel tool, but we still gotta get like new parts for the Dremel tool, and then we can do this properly. We also ordered a new head gasket, or no, a new valve cover gasket, not a head gasket, for the valve cover. So we can basically take it off fully and truly clean it and brush it clean, which will make the engine bay look basically finished, because right now all the plastics are looking beautiful, the outside trim is looking beautiful, everything is very nice and clean apart from the engine itself, but that will make for a very cool future video as well. We want to paint the valve cover in a different color. It could be white, black, maybe the BMW M colors, blue or red. So it could look pretty cool in the engine bay, and it might or will finish the engine area, the engine bay and the engine itself. It will finish the whole look completely. So that's pretty exciting as well. It's looking pretty good for this car already. But yeah, that's something which we'll do in a future episode. So that's pretty exciting as well. For now though, everything looks finished. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next episode. One of the next episodes, we're also going to take off the boot insulation, or the bonnet insulation on the underside here, to hear the engine a little bit better and to save a little bit of weight. This one is still in perfect nick, so again, this is going to go to a new owner who's going to enjoy it probably more than we do right now. And together with a clean engine, a painted valve cover, it will make the car look a lot more track ready than it does now. So as I said, thank you very much for watching. A lot more content on this car is coming, so yeah, subscribe and keep following the channel.